To my YouTube channel. I'm gonna play Roblox, but there's gonna be a twist. I'm just waiting for my big bladder to come. Like guys, I'm not playing alone like last time. Yeah guys, we're gonna play this game called I can't remember it because I was busy doing stuff. We're gonna play this game. So we're gonna play this game. I'm just waiting. This gonna join by me. We're gonna play. Sorry guys, we can't see I'm gonna put it also. I'm never gonna die. The movie.
Man, can you wait for me?
Nah, bro, I'm going. I need to win you. Every game when we play, you always won me. But Bally's pleasing too. Now I'm getting revenge and winning you. I'm never gonna die. And in my last video, spell gets. I just died once. And you don't know what side it is. Cows. Cows. Monkeys of the
I'm with you.
No, bro, there was an 8 in front of me. Nah, that's not fair. That's not fair.
Okay. Wait. I'm waiting for you. Let's play. Oh no, I died.
How did you die?
What?
What?
I'm at the start.
Because if you have to stand, look like mine.
What?
Look, mine don't wanna go. You need to wait. Then
No, man, that doesn't count. Wait for me, man, please.
you win me by the belly splitting. So pink, pink, pink. Good. This is not so hard at all. I'm not gonna die. Yo, I need to jump on. Yeah, jump on
My goodness.
the purple stuff.
What? What?
Look at me, and I'm doing it. I'm never dying.
No, man, that doesn't count. You just...
Look, mine didn't go when I stand in it worked. So if the thing doesn't go,
But
let you
the game didn't even...
let you do it.
Oh my word.
Look, I'm waiting.
You're at 17, I'm at stage 13.
What the hell now?
I'm 1.9% done. You're 2.4.
How am I? Okay, jump. There's necessarily jump. Jump is not necessarily to make that sound. I'm waiting for my stuff and I'm jumping like an angel. Okay, this one looks easy, but okay. It's a little bit hard. But you saw my last video, died 4 times. I said I'm never gonna die, but I kinda lied.
Behind you.
I'm going. I can jump, 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 jump,
Yes, I'm in the lead.
There's not there, bro.
No, I died.
Yes. But this is a fly on me. How can I not get that?
Yes, let's go.
This is so
I
easy.
knew I'm going to beat this, man.
Look how easy is this.
Oh no, this is a freaking far jump. No, Ed, what?
Yeah, go. I cannot beat him. I'm at level.
What? Oh,
John.
I didn't know that, man.
Tom. It is behind you.
Yes, I know.
I see you.
Yeah, I know.
Is this supposed to be a principal? I'm at the stairs with UB.
I'm just stage 30. I'm 3 levels behind you.
You're 3.
No, I died again. No, I died.
Well, what
What
level?
the? Oh, I just thought I'm in the void.
Yes. I think I see you.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not seeing me, man. Oh my word, I just died.
Yes.
Oh my word, I just died again.
Are you
Okay,
a
now
girl?
No.
What? Why I see you look like a girl?
I'm not even there, man.
Oh, there's a girl who look like you. She copy your skin.
Bro, guys, don't copy my skin. Don't be like me, man.
I just saw 2.
Guys, I'm like something. I don't know why nobody's subscribing to me and my brother. This is my brother's channel, by the way. But I have a personal channel and I have 16 subscribers, and I want you guys to go and subscribe to me, please. And I'm trying to hit 1k and do a front flip. On camera, man. I really want you guys to subscribe to someone who tries and makes content, but none of you guys are watching our videos. We're going to face no. Me and my brother already face reveal. You can see on the we're going to play with the face cam and start editing videos. If you already noticed, we don't edit our videos because like let us not fake it. We don't have money. We need money like very bad, but what did I just done? But guys, we're trying to do something for some, and I'm freaking emotional because
What's this? Copy.
Because guys,
My favorite color is
my YouTube name will be in the in Sandrix biome.
yeah.
In Sandrix biome. No?
Yes, guys.
Go subscribe to me and my brother. We're going to give you guys a
I see you. I just passed you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, you are.
Oh no, you at 42 and I'm 46. So guys, please, we're trying very hard. No, man, you didn't.
Who's this?
That's not me. I passed him all. So guys, I don't want to talk like this and not get. So please, guys, we're trying very hard to make videos like YouTubers, and we're not editing videos because if we are growing older, we're going to, but not now because we like that the people they are like if they got the video, what do you know, what do you think they are doing? They can cheat, they can do anything, and That's why we don't like edit videos. So guys, please, me and my brother post every day. Sometimes my brother's alone because I'm busy with my work and stuff. But remember,
Be flexible. Don't hit your big plant because she's stronger.
yes. So guys, please subscribe. We're trying to hit 20 subs, and he is trying to reach 10 subs for just for now, but we're trying to really hit 1,000,000.
Yes, I want to hit 1,000,000 subscribers.
We just want to be like famous and stuff.
We would
Not because I'm saying it right now.
guys, we could like your videos back.
No, we're going to subscribe, not like the video. Okay, this is the plan, guys. If you guys subscribe us, we subscribe back to you guys. So, like on TikTok, we're following back, and yes, we are following back. Me following back, he following back, we following back. Guys, subscribe and like this video for more. Thanks for listening to me. If you made it this far, thanks. That means you guys enjoy this video, and me and my brother is going to, fight on a Minecraft server. But this is this video must get like
1K.
No. We're not like famous. Like 3 likes.
What?
Then we're going to do
Yeah. 3 likes.
3 likes.
3 likes.
So, guys, thanks for listening to me, and that. Thanks.
So, if you wanna hit your bladder, don't hit him because he's gonna be too strong. If you see him work out 10 times, don't mess with your big bladder because it's gonna hit you very hard. You're gonna cry.
Yes.
So, if you see someone crossing the street, don't hit him.
Bro's like, hey, let me hit you. No, why you wanna hit me? Because I want to. No, don't do that.
So,
I think this is gonna be a long video because this is not a 100 stage 100. It's like, what can I tell now? 500 or something like that. But I'm only 10% done.
And me?
You're only 8.2% done, or 8.2. You're literally like, I'm stage 75. You're stage 61. I'm literally like 4.
And me?
This is gonna be a long video, guys, so please subscribe, enjoy, and watch this video till the end. Thanks.
Yeah, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Please don't tell me in the comments why am I not talking that a lot. Because if you talk a lot,
you can't concentrate like I'm dead.
Yes, you can concentrate. And if you're not gonna concentrate, you're gonna rage quit. Because why just jump so hard? This is a makkelijk jump.
Easy.
Do you want shield or something? Why are you beating this stuff every time?
I don't know. I'm 11.4.
And me?
% done.
And me?
Damn. 9.2% done. Why are you so not ready to die? Anyway,
at this
what?
place.
I don't want Robux. And guys, we don't have money for Robux, so that's why we're characters like this. And we're trying to make this at work, so please subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button.
Love you guys so much. If you guys just hit it. Oh, I'm in my mouth.
Later, if we get big, we gonna eat a lot of stuff. If we super big.
And we're trying so hard to get views, but my videos, I give up on YouTube. Guys, my friend, a YouTuber told me never to give up on my dreams, and my dream is to be a gamer.
Me too. And
I hope you guys will subscribe to me and my brother so we can celebrate it together, and like that. Not like Dream, it doesn't show his face in the beginning of YouTube like that. And I like we me and my brother always shows our face. We're not going to, because we're not playing with the face cam right now. We're going to play with the face cam maybe in the next video soon. My brother is, but guys, I'm literally me and my brother is posting daily. So guys, you guys can subscribe to me and my brother. It's totally free, guys. Like, wait, who's this? Oh, I thought it was you. Like, literally, guys,
you are sure I remember.
Yes. That's why you're so far.
And I'm doing this first try. Did you do it first try?
Yes.
Okay, now this is not unfortunate. Because I did it first try. Oh, this is easy. I just fell and say it's so easy.
Maybe not.
Bro, what is up with the scores?
Like, oh my god, I almost did. Like, guys. Yes. I'm the one who talks, but thanks, guys.
I'm just here because we're gonna post later.
We're posting on my brother's channel and on my channel, but I'm me making different videos. I'm just playing with my brother because my brother has friends, but we're not in town. Like, my brother can play with anybody else, but we were not in town. Like, that's why. We're going to play a scary game tomorrow, guys. Like on Blockman Go, that one. And this time I'm going to face cam record on my phone.
And my phone too.
Yes. Like that, yes. Then we're going to post it together. And we're going to be
happy.
Yes.
Because if you get 10,000, why are you not happy? That's what I wanna hear. I just type at table. Oh, I almost died. Oh, Yako!
You guys can answer. We can answer you guys' comments like crazy. If you guys want to tell us something, go ahead.
Be waiting.
Like, what I mean is, like, we're going to answer everything you ask us, guys. We're going to answer what you ask us in the comments. So
you can tell in the comments your biggest fan, or you can tell us everything else.
You can tell us anything. We're going to answer it.
Yeah.
About ourselves, but not personal stuff, please, guys. We're not like, yeah. Let me shut up. Anyways.
Oh no, I just jumped a long way. Now I need to reset. This. Okay, maybe let's
This freaking course is so long, man.
What? I just jumped to the long play. How far is this parkour?
Guys, thank you guys for 43 views. We didn't expect that. We just like begin to post and that happens. Guys, thank you. I'm going to put my name in the title of this video and then you guys can go subscribe to me. It's totally free. We're going to subscribe you guys back. So please guys,
hit subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button. It's totally free guys. Like, thanks. I'm concentrating.
And I just died in my place. Why is the label call?
Oh my goodness, why is this video why is this score so long, man?
Look, how far am I?
Oh, you're there where I almost died. You're at 13.3, I'm at 16.2.
Someone beat the game of
I'm literally 3% forward than you.
3%? I'm at another calls.
Away.
What
the? Speed? Oh my gosh.
What? What did you just say? You get speed? You get actually speed?
No, I don't get speed.
No,
I just on one course that's going to be speed, like you're zooming.
Speed is not that fast. Because you saw Nico, they cheating. They use always everything.
Oh my word, look at this.
What?
Oh my word, this is fast.
Are you fast?
Just on a level, man. Not like
Yo, where am I? Yo, why am I so bad? But still I did it. Yeah, I'm climbing this in the world. The world is so cool. I am Spider-Man. I'm flying to Spider-Man's house. Okay, guys, go to my account on TikTok and you're gonna see my first song. Please don't go to the comments and say the song is not good. Because one person said the song is not good. So please, guys.
Bro, make a song and the song is about
girls.
Somebody broke your heart. What?
Yes.
Is it like that?
Yeah.
Oh. Who broke your heart? Your girlfriend? Who's your girlfriend?
I don't know.
No, you're kidding.
Nah, bro, I know my girlfriend, but I'm not gonna say.
That is private, so no, we're not going to speak about this. But anyway.
Where am I?
Oh my word, you're not even close by me.
I'm jumping.
I'm not even freaking done. I'm at 18.4. Yo, 6, 7, 8. I'm literally 3%. Than you.
What? How is this make sense? Yeah. Okay, I'm jumping. Okay. Just don't tell my player. I just died. The easiest call.
I hear you.
Oh no. Who says you can tell him?
No, you're literally next to me, man.
Oh. Sorry, guys. I'm so dumb.
What the hell?
What the hell I'm jumping on?
I don't even know what is this.
Go! My game is lagging for lag. What the beep? I didn't even know. I can't just jump right now. No! Look, I'll follow him.
My word.
I can't didn't see you on a little ball. Are you the second?
Nope.
Where are you? I see you. I am 3% of you.
Behind me, dumb thing.
I'm not a dumb loser, you're one. Okay, sorry, you're stronger. You're my boss. You're the best.
No. Oh my word, I just died at the stupid jump.
You're righteous, but call and ladles. What the baby I almost died there. Why am I? It's not necessarily just to make the sounds, but what is happening?
Let's go.
Where are you? Oh. I'm 3% of front of you, Blue. No, there's not.
Behind me.
Behind. I keep forgetting you're in front of me. I'm behind. This is not what I do. Yeah. And I made it second try.
Oh my word, what a... Oh, now I know.
I didn't see you for a while, but now I know where you are.
Oh my word, how do I get the one here? You get the advantage.
What? Right?
You have the advantage to just pass me. Because I don't understand this, man. What is this, man?
I know what that is. I'm not telling you, Blue. And why is this thing so hard?
Do you know what? I did it.
Wait, what? I didn't even know you can do that because I can do it too. What the? What? What? That thing just teleported me there. What? I was panicking while in my band.
No!
But it was a band thing.
Okay, look at my screen. You can see it's blue. It's all that I'm going to show. Oh my word, I'm dying.
Why is the thing so...
Oh my goodness.
Yes! I'm behind you. Is this the thing you're struggling? This is hard. Okay, why can I... Okay, first, I type the same loom. What? Bro, did you just go out?
Nope.
You get back in?
Yes, I'm just going on WhatsApp, talking with my mom.
That's it, the heel. We have to say mommy and daddy. Mama forgot we are twins almost.
Oh my goodness. No, we're not twins, my man.
But we're not
brothers.
Twins. Brothers.
Oh my word, why is this thing so hard?
You mean this is so much? What the beep? How is the thing so fast? Jump.
I made it.
I'm going.
No, I'm not going. Oh no!
What
The hell?
What
This thing is not over.
Hey, I need to jump and the thing starts appealing. But still made it.
What the hell?
I'm climbing up the ladder, but it's not little ladder. Ow. Coming back up. We lost me a second. Can go to the side. Hey yo, chill, I just hacked the system. Open up, jump.
I was just right there now.
I think I see you.
No, you're not. Man, why are you so keen?
I see blonde hair.
Look here I am.
What? Wait a second. I am there. I was there, but I died
Please.
there.
Yes!
No. I'm doing this parkour like a pro. Okay. Don't ever go to the comment. Don't tell in the comments I'm losing to my big brother because okay maybe I am. But don't tell everybody in your family. Please guys. It's gonna be embarrassed.
Imagine someone just goes like,
Okay.
that one dude just died with his big brother was winning.
My
Isn't
blow
that
is
hilarious?
leaning. My
Just
phone is
imagine someone-
leaning. Hey, that's not fair. That was an 8 in front of me. You
Senrik,
what?
the already was there. What's that?
No. I did see that.
Okay.
I did see that, but I didn't go in there. But the easiest jump when I died. The last and final jump. And I made it. Yes! Boom and a pop. What? I'm jumping up the side. I'm jumping out of the side. I'm not dying, I'm a pro. Don't tell your mommy I'm a pro. Yo. Da, 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 da. I like you. Can you let me just kiss you? Nah, you look like an angel. You. Yo, I see this invisible thing. Yeah.
Here was I'm struggling, man.
Huh?
I was struggling there, man.
Wait, this is so
You're 2% behind me, man. Now again, 3.
What? That's impossible. Impossible. What the? I made it, but I fell. But another side. Boom. 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 Boom.
Oh my word, I'm walking on a wall. Like Spider-Man. Look at this. I'm Spider-Man.
I'm gonna be Spider-Man.
Iron Man.
No, not Iron Man, no Spider-Man.
Oh, thanks.
But not actually Spider-Man. Fake Spider-Man. Noob Spider-Man.
Oh my word, I'm actually stuck right here.
I am stuck over here. Did you make this?
Please.
The last and final.
Please. Oh, I can just cheat. Look at this. I don't need to do anything about this. I just walked there.
That is impossible. My thing is not even working. And actually, I
was genuinely stuck right there, but thanks to my great responsibility, I did it.
Impossibility is not even a thing.
This is like the Squid Game glass thing. Green.
Green light.
Green. Oh, it's only green.
I am stuck. I am stuck right here. Let me just try hard. So hard. Blow, this is impossible. I'm just gonna try every time. do I do it? I can't do it. I just did it. Oh yes, Summer Luis. And you, did you make it too?
Me?
Yeah! I'm dodging.
Oh my word, I just...
I'm dodging. I'm dodging. I'm dating. I'm not dating. Oh, I'm dead. Dank je voor die blauwdom. Voor die blauwdom.
Bro, just did that first try, man.
I'm doing this like a pro.
Bro. Bro, it's pro.
How many percent am I to you?
3.
Okay, boys. That's gonna be easy to get, you know. I can die. I'm not gonna die. If I die, it shows me this when I'm better end. But I'm not actually better end.
Bro, I died. No.
I died too, bro. Don't tell yourself you did. Because there's 2 people who didn't. Yes.
Man, this video is long.
Yeah. And at least we jump and we jump and
Oh
we
my
jump.
word, I just died.
While you yell because... What are you eating? Oh, I can see in real life.
The same thing you ate.
I ate it up and it was so fast. But even... Let me just... Hold a leave. I can live. I can fly. Head is the head. What?
Bro, what the hell did you do?
I didn't do nothing. I just... Yo, you need to join me, mate. It's a cool game. But I didn't know what happened.
Guys,
What happened?
thanks for watching.
I hope you subscribe. Hope you enjoy this video. Please, goodbye.